Metro Tower Formation Alpha, time 1145, observation, wind calm, visibility 10, few clouds at 8,000, 2000 scattered, temperature 12, dew point 4, altimeter 3006. Expect a visual approach, landing and departing, runway 30 left, closures, runway 30 right. Note on closures rolling along the airfield today, taxiway Alpha closed from Romeo 3 to Echo, taxiway Echo closed, taxiway Romeo 1 closed, the Meeker VOR is out of service. I suggest you do your run-ups conducted inside the ramp. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Alpha.
Perfect. Let's do a run-up real quick.
Okay.
Jesus.
This is 1132 Whiskey. Go ahead and pull up to the hold line. Hold short runway 21.
Hold short 2132 Whiskey.
This is 32 Whiskey. Fly runway heading and I'll call your turn on course. Runway 21 cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 21, fly runway heading 32 Whiskey.
Major window.
This is 12 Echo, right crosswind approved. Right crosswind, 12 Echo. This is 17 Yankee. Did you want intersection departure or full length on 30 left?
Hold at intersection 4170.
This is 32 Whiskey. Just want to make sure I heard it right. It'll be a left turn out.
Left turn 32 Whiskey.
Cessna 1 Echo Zulu, traffic off your left and lower. Cessna, they'll be making a left turn.
Got it in sight, 1 Echo Zulu.
Arch 7 Delta Tango, runway 30 left at Bravo, clear for takeoff. Right turn north approved.
Clear for takeoff, 7 Delta Tango.
All right.
This will be pretty cool. We're going to go like right over.
Here, 8 Bravo Golf. Cross runway 30 left at Bravo. Turn left onto Delta and taxi east on Delta.
Go, continue right, close traffic, 12 Echo.
I smell fuel again.
Yeah, I do too.
Oh, look, there's hot air balloons out there too.
Metro Airport Formation Bravo is wind calm, altimeter is 3006. Full line.
Metro Tower, 530 Papa Sierra. I can take off at intersection. I'm holding short 30 left, southbound departure.
The 530 Papa Sierra Metro Tower, no delay, traffic starting their base. Runway 30 left at Bravo, clear.
So we'll come down to 7, then we'll climb back to 7.5, see if it starts doing that again.
Yeah, at least we have video evidence now. Watch out for those balloons though, because there's those guys still out there. There's a plane down there.
Got him.
Another one over there somewhere.
On Delta.
Hold short of 193 on Delta. Can I actually, I'm going to do 2 more solos. Can I take Delta 4 on and then the Delta?
November 25 Charlie Whiskey, turn left at Delta 4. Hold short of runway 3 on Delta.
Hold short of runway 3 on Delta, 25 Charlie Mike.
No, Q112 Kilo, fly runway heading, runway 30 left at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 30 left, clear for takeoff, RQ112 Kilo.
Metro Tower, Cessna, November 1301 Echo, holding short, 30 left at Bravo, ready for departure, close traffic.
1201 Echo, Metro Tower, hold short runway 30 left at Bravo.
Hold short 30 left, Bravo, 01 Echo.
Dakota 03 Quebec, turn base now, runway 30 left, continue.
Turning base, 03 Quebec for 30 left.
Order 414908 north on course approved, runway 30 left at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 30 left on Bravo, 414908.
There's our traffic.
Number 32 Whiskey, you're going to be number 2 following Dakota, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, the other in sight.
Traffic is in sight, 32 Whiskey.
32 Whiskey, did you say traffic in sight?
Traffic in sight, 32 Whiskey.
32 Whiskey, follow that traffic and continue runway 30 left.
Follow that traffic, 32 Whiskey.
November 03 Quebec, continue down the runway, turn right at taxiway Golf and contact ground point 7.
Ground at Golf point 7 for 8303 Quebec.
Number 01 Echo, be advised the traffic you're following is full stop. Number 01 Echo, did you copy?
Should I go around?
01 Echo, can you repeat?
Number 01 Echo, the traffic you're following is full stop.
01 Echo's got the traffic inside, full stop.
Spacing's good. Tango 0 Tango Whiskey for your planning. After the second Cessna lands, then I'm going to get you out.
Perfect, thank you.
Oh yeah, we'll just keep it rolling.
Number 32 Whiskey, no delay. Continue down and turn left at Delta 4.
Left to Delta 4, the 32 Whiskey.
Number 32 Whiskey, taxi via Delta and hold short runway 3.
Delta to hold short runway 3, 32 Whiskey.
Ah, I thought I guess 3's open.
557 Delta Tango.
Could have turned on 3, I suppose.
Over the north interchange and identic 557 Delta Tango.
Or 557 Delta Tango, enter the midfield right down runway 30 right, tower, call your base.
Midfield right for 30 right, 557 Delta Tango. You'll call the base.
Number 7 Delta Tango, correction, it'll be for runway 30 left, and traffic 1 mile to the west of you, indicate 6,400, type and intentions unknown.
Final stop with Bravo.
Number 7 Delta Tango, amend inspections and enter midfield right downwind for 30 left.
Right downwind, 30 left, 57 Delta Tango.